Hello everyone, Camelsaurus here, and today we're going to be reviewing the 2017 CollectA Einiosaurus. First off, let's talk about some facts. The word Einiosaurus means buffalo lizard. It was a plant eater that was 4.5 meters and weighed 2 tons. It lived 74.5 to 75 million years ago, which was in the late Cretaceous, and it lived mainly in North America in Montana. So obviously we can see a very awesome creature with a very awesome past. Now let's get started with the head details. Now the head is obviously the most unique part of the Einiosaurus, as most ceratopsians share the same body, and obviously the most unique part itself is this front horn, which is really awesome the way it's shaped like, I don't know, a banana or something. It's pretty cool. We have a nice grey colour for that. Would it be nice if they, I don't know, made a tan or something, kind of beige, but it's fine like that. Also, going up here we have these spikes all along the frill, which these ones are just grey, but then we have some nice black tipped bits on the slightly larger horns, which is a very awesome detail to add. Then we also have these, not the kind of owl eyes, I guess, the kind of eyes that you usually have. It's just kind of 2 red dots, which is also really awesome and unique, I guess, but still, it's a very nice colour in that nice dark red. Also, some of the colours on this figure are very nice, and they pop out a lot. They're quite creative colours, using this nice bright yellow and this nice darky kind of olive green, I would say, on the head, and that's really awesome. Down at the beak we have a darker grey than the horns, and the mouth is coloured in quite a nice fluorescent pink. Now, moving on to the body, it is all mainly sculpted in this olive green, I think, and that's the main colour the body takes up. But we have these nice brown decals, like this nice lighty brown colour, and that is very nice to see. A very awesome little detail they added in there, and they didn't have to do it. Very nice they did that, so yeah. But then we also go down to these little quills at the end. Unlike some of CollectA's other ceratopsians, it's not got other paint decals in there, no other colours, but it still looks really nice, especially for this very small ceratopsian figure, for a very small ceratopsian as well. So, well, not that small, but still, for a very small ceratopsian figure, that's awesome. But then as we go down the tail, we have these nice brown stripes going down again, and obviously the tail is quite short, as is a ceratopsian. Last but not least, we move down onto the feet on the body. It seems that all the toes, all the digits are there. There's the right number of digits, which is very nice. We have this kind of light grey kind of colour for the toes, which is, I don't know, it's used quite a lot, and it works. So if it works, keep it, I guess. But the main olive green goes down, and there's some more of that nice brown highlighting there. And then going on to the underside of the ceratopsian, the Einiosaurus here, we have this nice beige colour, which is awesome, and these very thick scales on the underneath as opposed to the scales above, and there is also a cloaca. Speaking of those nice scales, here we see them there, very fine, but they also have some kind of osteoderms on as well, just very thick, not osteoderms, but some very thick scales added in, which would probably be used for armour. Well, now we've taken a look at the figure, it is now time to do some size comparisons. Starting off, here we have CollectA's ceratopsian from last year, the Mercury Ceratops, and it's just quite shocking to see how large this Mercury Ceratops is compared to the Einiosaurus. It is very huge compared to it, as you can see there. But you know what? They do look nice together. The Einiosaurus is just on the small side though. But, like I said, they do look very nice together. Up next is another 2017 figure from CollectA, and this one scales a lot better with the Einiosaurus, as we can see. The Gigant Spinosaurus here, it seems that the 2017 figures do have a theme of being very small, just these normal figures, which, you know what, doesn't bother me. They are still both very nice, and also do blend well together. A review on this figure, by the way, will be coming soon. And last but not least, here we have the most shocking size comparison when compared with the Papo Brachiosaurus. As you can see just how tiny this Einiosaurus is, and I'll tell you what, it is really a very small figure, but you know what, it does look nice, and it gives you a different size of animal to run about your huge ones like this. I mean, you can have it running through the legs or anything like that. It's really, really cool just how many posability options you can get with an animal this size, so it's very nice to see. Well, that's all for today's review, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As we can see, the Einiosaurus is a very nice figure from CollectA, and I am going to give it an 8 out of 10. The accuracy is very good, the paint scheme is very good, the model is very good, the pose is very good, but one thing dragging it down is that tiny, tiny size. I just wish it'd scale better with some of the other figures and some of my other ceratopsians. So, but apart from that, it is a really good figure. An 8 out of 10 is not a bad score whatsoever. And, well, yeah, I recommend you pick it up. It is a nice figure. But probably not the top of my list of figures to get for 2017. I just picked it up because it was available. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching this review. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want some more. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!